Am I muted?
Guess what's happening?
Oh,
Hello?
yeah. I don't know what's happening.
Hello,
Oh,
hello.
okay. Hello?
You are not audible, bro.
You don't hear me? No.
Not audible, not audible.
Do you hear me now? I guess,
Yeah, it's good now.
good. Okay. So let's do our.
बढ़िया भैया बढ़िया. I was in that cell.
Okay. 3 minutes left. Hello. Good morning, YouTube. Welcome to the live. Here we focus on trading gold from NYSE to London close. The focus is discipline and build consistency over time. If that resonates with you, stay tuned and don't forget to smash the subscribe button. Let's do our daily analysis, right? So H4 closed bearish, and this is kind of waking up and trying to go down to fill these wicks probably, but it closed above. If it closed above, are we going up or are we gonna have a weak fill? Let's find out. So 1 hour closed above the support, or let's say we have this zone here, and are we gonna have a weak fill? Yeah. So for sell scenario, right, we need a retest of this zone and resistance form. But Amal, there is no sell. Where is the resistance?
No, I took one cell in New York Open. That break of
Oh,
the support. Yeah, there.
here. Okay.
There.
Okay. You close it or?
SL on 15. Yeah, it closed like 40 pips.
Yeah, this was a
Mm.
big SL. Wow.
Less than 50 pips, okay for me.
Wow. So you are coming back to your 50 pips trading.
Only 30-minute confirmation.
Yeah, but this was risky, man. Look at this. You have support here. We're taking sell at support without candle.
Volume time, impulse entry.
Yeah, but very risky, man. Very risky. What is the volume? This cannot close with rejection. There is no volume.
Next candle broke.
Yeah, it broke, but anyway, it worked out, but it was very risky.
Yeah. Risk takers are the money makers, you know.
There was a lot of problem here. No, this is kind of taking risks without respecting the rules. That's the problem.
Yeah. 1 to 2% risk.
Okay.
You are looking for sell or buy?
We are looking for sell, waiting
You are
for
looking for
a resistance to form below this zone. Anything below this zone is sell. But now if we close inside here, maybe we look for buy. Because at the same time, you can see that H4 close above the support. So if we found support somewhere here, maybe we can push up above this zone. This is a very important zone now. We need either a resistance here to push down or a close above to push up. That's the only thing we need to wait.
I am looking for sell.
Money sound.
Don't be scared.
Have you cleared your funded account?
Can you repeat that? Have you cleared your funded account?
Your phone.
Was that the
he's
question?
asking. Yes.
No, I'm still in the phase 1. Hello, Timmy. How's it going? Oh, this is
You are
breaking.
a great trader. Still, why you are taking so much time?
I'm taking time because the market is very. So here I'm taking time to really execute on things I recognize. I have more confidence in. I'm not doing reckless trading. No. With time,
Impulse entry on the M15. Was
yeah,
it a possibility?
yeah. But I think
Secured.
10 pips. Yeah.
Break even.
I'm waiting for resistance here. That will be a better trade. Push down. Or maybe if this cannot close inside, I think we can reach this level here.
Sure.
Anurag in the room.
Yeah.
Anurag coming.
Anurag in the room. Big guy.
Yeah.
Profile killer.
Yeah, and also Timmy also is here. They funded the
Yeah.
250k funded trader.
Yeah, bro. Today Timmy passed one more account today.
Oh, really?
Yeah, maybe
Timmy,
100k.
Timmy.
Ask Timmy. Ask him.
Timmy. Oh, I even did he share on X or
His
something?
group. No. His group is shared something. Not on that. His WhatsApp group.
Yeah. Congrats. Oh,
Profile.
congrats, Timmy. Killing it. Hopefully, I will be like you soon.
Yeah.
You know what? I'm going wild. I'm going to go wild on it. So if I pass this challenge, right, and I secure the first withdrawal, with the first withdrawal, I will buy a new 200k count. If I pass the 200k count with the first withdrawal of the 200k count, I will take 4 200k count at the same time, and I will trade them all at the same time with copy trader copier and
Trade Connect.
trader connect, and I'll try to pass all of them at the same time. And then if you pass all of them, then you have 1 million funding.
Ooh.
Step by step.
Wow. Roadmap. Money roadmap.
Money roadmap. Then, but we need to pass this one first.
Yeah.
That's the focus. With the same method, taking the time. I'm taking my time to really take good trades. You know, I can try a lot of trade every day, but just better to wait for some.
Have an edge. Yeah, have an edge.
Yeah. Goes on 15 minutes, 30 minutes. You can have some 10 pips, 15 pips here and there. But I'm not interested in that. I'm interested in the trade of the day, following the overall trend and catch the whole move, potentially 50 to 100 pip move. Because long term, that will be the goal.
You.
Look at the trade Raja taking recently. They are all aligned with the overall higher time frame bias, and he let them run and they pay off. Look at this.
Make most out of it.
Yeah, this one, even if he's taking only one trade a day, but look at
20 lots.
This only one trade 100 pip move, right? Same thing happened the other day. They are all clean 30-minute structure, 100 pip move down. So with two trade like that, your week is done, right? Even one trade like that, your week is done. So why wasting time trying to catch some small move? Just wait for the right setup and execute on that. That's it. Sometimes it's not very natural at the beginning to let them run to the target, but you will learn that with time. So I rather start doing that now. And if you take a look at almost all the trade I took in this account, they were all aligned with the higher time frame, but I just didn't have the balls to let them run, you know. So look at this one, same thing, boom. Almost all my trade, this one as well. If I had let it run to the target, 60 pips. So there are some small twists to correct, and I think after that I will be set. Look at this one, same thing. Haven't let it run to the target, 100 pips trade. So I'm more interested in this trade, 58 pip trade. Look at this one as well. Haven't let it run, 130 pip trade, but just secure 53 pips with some small mistake here and there. That's it. That's what I'm interested about. And once I correct all these small mistakes, I will be set. I'll be set for big payouts.
Yes, bro.
All we need is a nice resistance here. This is gonna be a legendary trade. We'll have a great day.
Bloody sell.
Bloody sell. You know, the setup is so obvious, so clean, right? Made a low, Nice resistance here, man. We are done. We are done. Amol will pass his account. Everyone will pass his account with this single trade. Yeah. Hey, Timmy say, yeah, I passed my another account today, 12%.
Wow.
Didn't share on X, just trade pre-London, bro. Dominion funding. I'm using Trader Connect. Yeah, exactly. Yeah, I will quit my, yeah, for me to quit my job. Yeah, if I can do that, I pass all these challenges, I will quit. I will quit my job. Yeah, because if you are funded 200k account and you can make 10% a month, what are you doing? What are you doing with your job?
Yeah. Waste of time.
What are you doing? You rather go full time and go heavy on trading, you know? And looking at that, if you are very patient, you can even make 10% a week.
Yes.
If you are very patient. Anup Palawal, same thought is mine. Yeah, Anup is have the same plan. Good. Yeah, with time we will be there. We will be there. I think Amol also have the same plan. Amol said by the end of 2025 he need to have 1 million funding. That's Amol goal. Right, Mr. Amol?
Yeah.
Yeah. We'll be there. And we will all trade with our 200Ks, 1 million funding account live. $15-minute candle closing.
Market get affect due to war too.
A what?
Market get effects because of war.
Of war.
Yeah, war.
Is there I think the tariff war has come to an end now. What else do we have?
Because last week the war is going on. I noticed that market was not behaving normal.
Yeah,
no volume.
Yeah, sometimes it's weird. Yeah.
Yeah, last week and last week.
Mm-hmm. Yeah. Yes. Agree.
I took a one sell.
Oh, you took a sell. Quickly, quick sell. This candle rejected. 5 minutes.
Basically, this is not a SRC based concept. I am trying to learn this new thing. Basically, the sell which Amol took, usually the price most of the time rejects from that level.
Okay. Here.
Yes, okay. Exactly at that entry, I took a sell when the price reached there. Yes.
Oh, you are already from here when price reached here.
Yes.
Oh, you should have told us. Right? This is moving, man. 30 pips. I would have been happy with 30 pips now.
I closed at 30 pips and my runner is running now 70 pips.
Okay, this is good. Good.
This letter was based on Shakil?
And basically, this is not a SRC concept. I have been seeing this thing.
Yeah, he's been
Most of
observing
the
it.
yes. Most of the time, which are the usually the SRC setups, price come back to those setups and rejects from those setups. I have seen those things.
Like here, right? This
Yes,
setup,
like here.
this setup we broke.
So
Come
here
down.
it was an impulse entry. So when the price reached here, my stop loss was here. I placed the stop loss here around 30 pips, and I took a sell.
Okay. At the week here.
Yes, at the week.
Okay. Oh,
So
wow.
basically my entry was based on the M1 structure.
Oh,
M1 structure.
this ran like 100 pip, man. And M1 structure. So M1. Yeah, so M1 it should have been somewhere here. Right? 30 pips. Yeah, good. Good.
My entry is on this candle.
Yeah, people are developing some new things. Good.
But I only go with the small lot size on this types of things.
Yeah.
When I'm trying new things, I lower my lot size 3 times.
Yeah.
What I usually take.
Yeah, it looked like it worked, so that's the most important.
Nowadays, people are learning.
I don't know. You see,
SMC.
same thing happened here. SRC setup broke and came back here, rejected.
Now on this setup, you have to wait for the candle to close below this level. When the candle closes below this level, you can take the entry here.
Yeah, from here.
And the stop loss would have been based on the previous setup, which you would have taken on the initial thing.
So entry here, and
your stop loss would be based on
1 minute.
No. The same. Go to the same setup. Your stop loss would be based on this candle, because this was the initial setup.
Okay.
You would have taken. You would have taken the sell. You would have taken the sell here. Now you have missed this setup.
Yes.
So you would wait for the price to reach that setup and give some hint that it's going to reject. Now the stop loss is going to based on the previous candles.
Okay, here 50 pips in this case, and then later on price moved down 80 pips and then went back up. Okay. Yeah, same thing happened here again. Ample 3, we came down here, stop loss below here.
Yes, this would have been the entry based on SRC.
Yeah, yes.
Now we miss this move.
Yes.
Just suppose we miss this move.
And price
now we wait for the
came
price
down.
to come back.
Stop loss here, boom. Yeah, it looked like it's working. And here again with Mr. Amol trade. Same thing. Good observation. But now, do you have any criteria for your stop loss? How big is the stop loss need to be and stuff like that?
The stop loss is based on the previous setup.
Yeah, but for the range, how big it should be?
Let's say this was my initial entry. If I had taken the impulse entry, my stop loss would have been here. So if the price is reaching to this level, my stop loss is going to still be based on the previous candle.
Whatever is the number of pips, right?
Or number of pips. If the pips are more than 40 pips, I lower my lot size basically.
Okay. Because here it was like 50 pips, about 50 pips. And
yes, but my entry was based on the M1 structure.
Yeah.
So basically my stop loss was around 35 pips.
This is still pushing down, right? man.
Yes,
100 pips.
I am around.
So 1:2
Around.
risk reward ratio.
My trade is still running at around 120 pips, but it is only 0.01. I closed most of it at 30 pips.
So 1-to-1.
I started to observe this thing because I was missing a lot of moves. Let's say the price is now closing at this level. Now the price has reached almost at the support, so I don't have much move left,
Yeah.
and my day is over. So I have started to observe these things.
Good. Good. Mr. Amol, did you got it?
Yes.
Yes. Are we gonna try that?
No. 10-15 pips with volume. That's it.
Yeah. Yeah, for me, I'm just waiting for simple 30-minute structure. If I don't have that, I'm done. So it looked like we are pushing down. Now I don't know if the bias here is bullish or bearish, because
Bearish.
because we close bearish, but we close above the support, but we wicked up and we are coming down. So daily also is rejecting. It looked like it's bearish. So let's see. But this candle moved a lot, man. After this candle close, how are we gonna have an entry? There is no entry. But it's fine.
Money sound.
Yeah, when my hand is itching, that's what I do. That's what I do to
For me,
feel.
I go to my personal account and do shit.
That's what I do to feel the itch.
Wing magic keys.
Yeah. That's like, okay, you are managing risk, closing 50%. Boom, stop loss at week. So let's wait for this candle to close. Maybe we can have this week fill here.
Yeah, a structure is already here.
50 pips. Wow, crazy.
That pick up and break off its own low, maybe you're planning.
Yeah.
New plan.
Yeah, my new plan. Yes, exactly. You got it.
Yeah.
Wake up and break its opening price. Yeah, I think that's the only entry I can see on this one, but we'll see. We'll see how the candle close. If it closes with a small body, I think I'm not gonna do it.
At least it should engulf the previous 30, at least.
That will be great.
Yeah. Like body. If it closed like here, I'm okay to execute.
Yeah. If it engulf the previous candle body. Because we are coming strong bullish, weak bullish,
Volume losing,
and
next candle
bearish. That's good. We have a weak fill down here, potentially even coming down here, honestly. But and that's the trade I missed the other day, right here. right? If I had entered it, I would have got this whole move, right?
Yes, sir.
And then I went to take the bad trade after that. But this was the trade. But I hesitated.
That's the day which I came in drawdown.
Yeah. If I had entered it, weak fill, and it went beyond. And today, similar thing can happen. You can have that weak fill and go beyond to this target here. Because I believe price should come down to this target. And this is a 124 pip range. We shall see what the market has for us. Let's get it. Let's get it. Let's get it. Oh.
You guys will take a sell after this.
Yeah, after this candle close somewhere here, if it close somewhere here, we'll wait for a wake up and on the flip, enter a sell to catch the move. So that will be the plan. So get ready. Get ready. That's the only entry I can see here. Now the question is it gonna move down here or even down here? No idea. But according to my plan, I will give it the chance to do that. Give it the chance to do that. If it doesn't, that's fine. Another trade. But what if it does? This is a 127 pip. It will be one of the most legendary trade on live. Yeah, 127 pips almost. If you go in with a 1% risk, that's more than 10% in a single trade. But the market is saying, no, bro, I'm not gonna give you that today. It's rejecting.
That's okay.
Yeah, it's fine.
It will do what it wants.
Maybe this will close bullish and the next candle will close bearish to give us something. 30
Not
second,
interested.
yeah, 30 second left. According to Mr. Amon's rules, right? This is closing very small and nobody is interested in this.
Interested at all.
Nobody is interested. 2 seconds left. Are you? Oh, look at this. Very small. Yeah.
Not interested.
Very small.
Now this is a new resistance for me.
Yeah. New resistance forming. So maybe the buy idea is coming because this is also losing volume. And don't know.
1 hour
Oh,
closed.
how this is pushing down? Oh, 1 hour. Okay. Okay.
Maybe stop loss was there on 15.
Yeah, stop loss was there on 15, but the problem was this candle. Anyway, I don't bother missing this, you know. It's okay. This is not the kind of trade. It's very risky. This is considered a rejection candle. And 30 pips stop loss was there, but I'm not interested. This
Like less
30 minutes candle close very weak. So I'm good. So where do you think the trade yesterday was? I think it was the break of this high. right?
Yes.
Yesterday it was the break of this high.
Oh, price moving.
Yeah, it's okay. It can do whatever it wants. We are trading based of rules. If the rules,
Yesterday it was difficult to take any trades.
yeah, it
Even
was.
the even
Yeah.
which you are saying the break of the, but that candle is not a impulse type of candle which you usually take. It has a
So
strong body.
the thing is, yeah, you are right on that. But I have seen this before, and yeah, but it was on simulation. I've seen this before. Price break. It even happened on gold. Price break.
There is there is
It even happened not long time ago. But this is a range. This is a range, and if you look at the bigger picture, okay, let me break down this one. Look at this. On daily, right? Daily we had support here, right? If we have support here, it means that this current day, if after this support we have to continue to push up, we need something here on 30 minutes, right? To some sort of structure, bullish structure on 30 minutes to push up, and eventually this would be the target these weeks here. And this is conservative target, but someone can say, okay, maybe it will fly, but we don't know, right? So this will be target based off technicals. Now let's go down and see where we could have taken a trade. So right here, this is the support. So we need some sort of bullish structure here to push up. This is our target. I guess I can keep the target here, daily target. On 1 hour, look what's going on. So we came down here. We had some sort of manipulation here, take out these lows and close back inside the range, right? This was earlier. This was pre-London, right? But then we need some sort of counter trend trade setup, because look at this, price made a low here and we closed bullish inside, but we have this structure ahead. So we need a counter trend trade setup to push up if we believe in our higher time frame analysis. So now we broke above this resistance, but no entry can be taken here. We are too far from the zone. And this is where Raja took the trade and he exited somewhere here. But this same trade, you can let it go to the daily target, because you have your confirmation, 300 pips. This is the kind of move I'm studying, you know, this swing trade studying, because if you can catch one of these a month, 1 month, 300 pip trade, man, you are done. So okay, let's say this is the daily activity. This is a day, and we know already the direction. So now this is London session where you can enter the market, but coming to our session, we know the direction. So the structure form, we made a high, we came down, we respected this area, and price starts breaking this high. Now we need to ask ourselves, where is stop loss? Because you are confident in the higher time frame bias, you know that this is a target. So on 15 minutes, nothing was here on this previous candle, but the second candle start breaking, right? Start breaking again, then you will have your stop loss here after the second break, 20 pip stop loss, and boom, right? Boom, 200 pip move. So that's why if you only look at the 30 minute, your current price action, you will miss out on a lot of things. But knowing the overall direction, you will have confidence to take this trade, anticipating it to come here. Is that clear? No.
Nice, good start.
Yeah.
comme je disais, ils n'ont pas fait en par secteur. Ils ont un seul segment. Il ne faudrait pas que ça change après quand on nous demande de séparer nos quantités. Donc, je vais le valider.
Guys, take a sell.
I think this is the reason we miss often a lot of NYSE trades, because if you only zoom in the 30-minute time frame, we will miss out on some trade. Exactly.
No, I
thinking
am
that
asking. No, I am asking in current candle. In this current candle, you guys have taken the sell or not?
we haven't taken any sell.
Because it was so fast.
Yeah, we haven't taken any sell. This candle closed very weak, so wasn't
Very weak, very weak.
wasn't confident.
A doji candle, doji.
Yeah. So now I have taken the habit of trying to see the daily price action to see where is the direction. It helps a lot to give you confidence in your trade. So, but if we look at today's session, price moved a lot yesterday, and potentially it makes sense to have some sort of retracement coming down. And if we look at H4, so we form resistance here, kind of trying to break below here, and I guess for me this next candle should push down with this structure. That will confirm that the daily is trying to have some correction. And all we need is to wait for that confirmation, right? So we broke this low, we made a low here, we need some sort of resistance to push down. And on 30-minute, right, we are here. So we had that resistance, but it was a very weak candle. That's the only thing that retained me to enter this trade. The only thing. Because if this candle was a little bit stronger, let's say closing below this candle, I will have taken this sell, because it aligned with the overall the higher time frame. It has higher probability to push down. I will have taken this sell, and this is the reason a lot of time we miss trade, because we overthink, oh, the candle is too small, the candle is too big, but you are saying all that without trusting the direction. If you trust the direction, once you see the confirmation, you just execute. That's it. You just execute. But today, the only thing was candle was a little bit small, but you can see that even though candle was small, it still continued to push down. That's how powerful the direction is important. How powerful knowing the direction is. Sometimes my English is off. But it's fine. This is a mistrade, probably. It moves so quick.
Sinon, ouais, c'est ça. On va faire comme les autres. Je vais d'ailleurs sortir un pour un effet de 4. super. Donc, je vais commencer ça, puis si jamais j'ai des questions, je t'appelle. On sort ça pour demain soir, c'est bon.
Amal, what do you think? Do you think we will have any other trade today? I don't think we will have something.
I'm waiting for it to close above that resistance.
You are looking for buys? For me,
Yeah,
buys.
for sell side, it's very difficult.
For me, buys is difficult today.
Puis on ressort pas.
Buys are difficult today.
Mercredi 21.
I'm done.
Bonne journée.
It's good because you made profit today, so that's fine. I guess this is a target we can come to for today session. Yeah, this is a target. The only thing is I was about to execute, but I said, yeah, it's too small, man. But it anyway, it's good. Good. We will have another chance. What if price went against me? I will be sad.
You will be cooked.
Yeah. Full SL. So
For
no,
nothing.
I will have
For
just
nothing.
yeah, I will have just taken the full SL for nothing.
For nothing. Then the random things will kick in and you will lose your account.
No, I'm not falling for that again. I'm not falling for that again. That's because for me, I have fixed my loss for the day. It's max 2%. And since I'm taking 1.5% a trade, if I lose one trade, I'm just done. I'm not even giving my trade a second chance. The only way I will give my trade a second chance is if I have been able to manage risk on the first trade and I have lose way less. Then I can give my trade a second chance, and if I lose that trade, I'm still done as well. So max 2% a day for me. Max 2%. So that's a non-negotiable rule. Okay, candle close. 15 minutes. Yeah. Nothing we can do. What if this candle close here? Can we catch the rest of the move? But this will be bullish. We will need the next candle after that. Yeah, it's becoming tough. It looked like the trade was here. But it's okay, we respected our rules. It was a very weak candle. No trade is better than Mr. Amal.
I think the cells are going to be difficult now because of the structure on the left hand side.
Yeah. I still believe we can reach this level. We'll see. This level. We will see. But even for buys, look at this week's rejection and we have resistance here. Where are we going to take buy? If there is no sell, I think we are just done today because price will range. Even buys are difficult. SRC.
Hello?
Hello.
Yeah, bro.
Yeah, I said it's better to miss a trade than
Lose a trade.
yeah,
Take unnecessary loss
yeah,
against the rule.
yeah. Yes. Yo, the Starlink kit is very good for traveling. But it's expensive, $140 a month. Wow. I'm looking at the Starlink products for a house, $140 a month. That's something. But for the roaming, you can be wherever you want, $70 per month. Camping, on boats, to have internet all the time. Interesting. Yo, robotic is going to be something in the next look at Optimus. Everything he can do. He can cook, teach, taking the trash, put food. Man, great. Anurag? Where is Anurag?
I don't know.
Anurag is busy, probably.
क्या कर रहा है बे अनुराग? Buy side playing out, maybe.
Yeah, we'll see.
About the welfare of children, given that he frequented Jeffrey Epstein.
Okay, well, I do want to ask you about US aid and the comments that Bill Gates made the other day, and I know that you called him...
Yeah, he's a huge liar.
I know, you've said that already.
That's
wondered...
Also,
and I'm just...
Who does Bill Gates think he is to make comments about the welfare of children, given that he frequented Jeffrey Epstein?
Okay, well, he said he regrets those, and he spent a lot of his own money on philanthropy around the world over the years. My question to you is: have you looked at the data to check if he might be right that the cuts to USAID might cost millions of lives?
Yes. I'd like him to show us any evidence whatsoever that is.
I do want to ask you. Aid and the comments that Bill Gates made.
Okay, so Amol said that buy is coming. So let's focus on the chart to not miss that buy. So maybe Amol is right, because I'm also thinking, I'm also thinking that if this H4 close above the support, maybe a support down here we can push up, right? Maybe you guys are right on the buy. So yeah, if you are rejecting, look at all these rejection, and we are closing above here or even above this resistance, maybe we can push up. We'll see. We have 3 minutes to know. Right, on 15 minutes, this is a zone. We have 3 minutes to know.
Red leg under. Red leg under incoming.
Amal wants so bad to take a trade, man. Look at this expiration, right? Expire, right?
Inspired.
You leave a huge stress out. So how is your account now?
Break even.
Break even? The 100k? Oh, Halaman Satu, sorry bro, I wasn't watching the chat. Sub bro, what technical do you use? In my country, 20 Mbps is high. Yes, buy is coming, sorry. 5 minute SL. Oh,
Why are you considering that
Timmy is,
level?
yeah, sorry?
You should consider the recent resistance, bro.
Yeah, because on 15 minute had the resistance here.
We are not looking at 15.
Yeah, 30 minute has resistance, but we have these wicks. You need to take a look at these wicks on 15 minute, and 15 minute had resistance. So closing above here is a higher probability to push up.
Okay.
Yeah.
Amul don't agree.
Yeah.
Amul will
He just want to ignore. He just want to ignore and focus on 30 minutes. Okay, 45 seconds left. Based off Amol's theory, so Timmy is good, but I don't consult the 5 minutes because it's confused me a lot. I only focus on 15 minutes and 30 minutes. So based off Amol theory, we will close above, which is good. Now Impulse Sentry. Impulse Sentry, we can go up 50 pip range.
Amul gun is ready now.
Yeah. Now Impulse Sentry.
Amol is loading the bullets.
Yeah, and this is like 22 pips. 22 pips. From here, 31 pips. This is good. You just need to reject this area and break this high. I think we can push up 30 pip stop loss. That will be good. That will be good. So now, yeah, I'm gonna go with my normal lot size. The moment my balance goes below negative, below 0, then I will be very aggressive on risk management. Every losing trade, I will cut my lot size. Oh, invalidated. Invalidated. Are you confident to take the flip? No, I'm not confident to take the flip. So now there is no trade for me. I will wait for the break and close below this support. Maybe we will have the chance for the sell. Maybe we will have our chance. Initial buys. Now the buys, I said the buy is difficult because of the structure. Now the buys invalidated itself. I'm not interested anymore. I'm just gonna wait for this candle to break and close below here. Then I will be so much confident in the sell, man. So much confident, right? That I can go with 2%. I'm joking, only 1%. Because this is it. Our overall bias from daily analysis, H4, close, bearish form resistance here. We retested here, pushing down, even though this candle closed above. But we just had the confirmation that the fact that this candle closed above doesn't mean it is a buy. We just got that confirmation. Now the only thing left is sell. Sell, sell, sell. And also we are rejecting also these areas on 1 hour. And yeah, good. Now I will be very confident in the sell because the buy got invalidated. It means our analysis for sell was good. Just here, we just need to break and close below here. It will be great to push down. And the target is here. This is the target if that happens. Yeah, this is not good. For this to work out, we need a 15-minute closure here and then break this high and stuff like that. But the flip, no, not for this setup. Not for this setup. Or maybe this candle will close above and 11:30 candle can push up. But since then, sell is my trade. I would like to see a closure below here. We have this week to fill. Potentially coming down here, 82 pip range. Very good range. Above here, this is, yeah, this is a target. And 40 pip. Yeah. Yep. So exceptionally today, I will wait for this candle to close on the stream. After this candle close, if it doesn't close below here, I will end the stream for today. Is that good?
Then see you guys at Friday.
Yeah. Coming, I'm going to the washroom.
मुट्ठी मारने जा रहा है. ये अनुराग किधर है?
I'm back. Oh, who left? It was Shakil, or I think Shakil. See you next time, Mr. Shakil. So we have gaslighting. What do you think is happening? So much alternation between buys and sells. What are the possible entry and stop loss zones? So yeah, you have these zones here. I was looking for sell below this area and maybe a buys above here, but we need to wait for confirmation. It looked like this candle is closing, you know, somehow. If this candle close small bearish and the next candle start breaking the high, maybe we'll push up. If this candle close bearish below this zone,
Hello,
maybe
bro.
we will push down. Hello, man. You were absent.
Yeah, I was having my dinner.
Dinner time. Candle is closing. Maybe we'll have an impulsatory buys here after this close small bearish wick down and break, or a bearish closure to push down. So these two zones are important, right? Wait for the break.
Sorry to bother you. I know you work.
Okay, we are closing in
1 minute.
1 minute. Let's focus on the chart here. So
Price just consolidating, I guess.
yeah, probably, but if we can weak down and break this high, I think condition are this candle need to close small bearish. It will be interesting. And based of Mr. Amol theory of
30
second, it's not very small. So it look like it's going down.
Buy side is getting difficult now, bro.
Yeah.
Just consolidating. Nothing else.
Just consolidating. Look at this.
Nothing.
Consolidation. Pure consolidation.
Yeah, away from your mic.
Okay. Something interesting here. But what is the range? 30 pips. What if we break this low? This is 11 a.m. No, I guess we need to wait for the next candle. So here it's simple. The math is simple. We are consolidating here. No trade. So just wait for candle to break above or break below. That's it. Break above or break below.
Break up or break below.
Yeah, break above or break below. So I guess I will end the stream here, and we have one more candle to wait. If we break above here, we'll push up. If we break below here and close, break and close, that's important. Break and close, we'll push down. So that's the thing. So thanks for joining, guys. See you tomorrow, no, Friday, and be careful and stay safe. Lower risk and don't go wild.
No FOMO. Market is here for you.
Yeah, wait for something you recognize and execute on that. Thanks. Bye bye. See you tomorrow. See you Friday.